Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the Lazy Man Colombian Walkaround. Now, experience of any kind of Colombian is going to be really helpful. And the Lazy Man variant, link in the description below, the Lazy Man variant is basically the walkaround version, but with the guy having much simpler footwork. So if you're struggling with them generally as a fella, you're probably trying to do too much. And if you take the footwork away, do something simple, you can concentrate on the lead and follow. That way you can get that really practiced before then adding the footwork back in at a later date. And the Lazy Man version allows you to do that. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. So, ladies' footwork. We will be teaching it all the way through, exactly what we're doing, but basically, ladies, you're going to be going behind with the left and stepping out, across in front with the left and stepping out, and it's going to go in a circle around the guy. Guys, our footwork for the Colombian bit is going to be left foot, stationary, paddle around with the right. So we take a step and add the rotation to the left. Take a step, add the rotation to the left. So if you just imagine the ball of the left foot is attached to the floor so it can't go anywhere, and then you just use the right to get the rotation you need. Okay, so let's break it down, and we'll start with me over here so that you get a better view of what's going on. So we're going to go back, first move, in, side by side. We're going to twist the ladies out, and you might want to pick up the shoulder blade with that right hand. You might want to go for a ballroom grip in the left hand, so guy's thumb in, lady's thumb, fingers gently curled round. And this is the point, guys, where you think, right, left foot is no longer going to move. Ladies are currently back on the right. We're going to bring the ladies so they're square up to us and take a step onto the right. To do that, they're rotating to their left. We keep them rotating to the left to then go behind with their left foot. Ladies coming across, squaring up onto the right. Guys, you can be paddling around as you need. Take the lady's left foot through in front. Then you square up and get the ladies to go behind. Then you square up, get the ladies to go in front. How many you do is up to you. But you need to finish with the lady having just gone in front with the left. So we'll do one more set. Square, behind, square, in front. Because the ladies have just turned right, they're ready to turn left, which means we can just lead a return, and we're done. So, ladies are taking steps on every and every number. Okay, so it's just like we would in a normal first move. You're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 on every count. So you just keep the feet going, dum 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 dum, and you'll be fine. I'll call it. But I'm gonna call it using words. So we're gonna go back 1, we're gonna come in side by side 2, twisting out, guys, prepping 3, and then I'm gonna call the ladies' footwork because that's the tricky thing. So what we're gonna get is we're gonna go square behind, square in front, square behind, square in front, square behind, square in front, return the lady and back. How many you do in freestyle is up to you. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, Lazy Man Colombian. It's a back. In, twist, square behind, square in front, square behind, square in front, square behind, square in front, return, and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It helps promote the channel, which we much appreciate. So very big thank you to everyone who does that. And hitting the bell means you'll know every time a new video comes out. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, something that's going to really suit this particular move. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.